Hey, Dan here with 3D Auto Repair. Getting into the final phases of getting the 1941 Chevy pickup truck back all put together and put on the road. One of the things that we needed to do after doing all the custom front end work and independent front suspension was to put it on the alignment rack. As you can see here from the pictures, one thing missing is the front sheet metal. Based on the suspension setup and the way the sheet metal was going to sit over the top of that stuff, we elected to align it without the front sheet metal on it. We just put a little bit of extra weight on the cross member to simulate the weight of the sheet metal so we would have some accurate readings. By doing it this way, it allowed much more freedom of adjustment for setting the alignment up on the truck to make sure it would drive straight and true. We were able to get that all knocked out, get that vehicle back out, took it for another test drive just to make sure everything was good to go. We didn't have any rubbing issues or anything like that with the turning radius now that the alignment was all set. Custom projects like these do take a lot of time and they do require some special skills, as we are finding out. If you have any questions or need any information on a project like this that you might be doing yourself or thinking about starting, please feel free to give us a call. And we look forward to seeing you at the shop.